To create a commission rule, we're going to navigate over to our network over here on the left-hand side, move to Setup, and then come here to Commission on the right-hand side. From here, we can start adding our commission rules. To do that, I'm going to click Add Commission, and I'm just going to call this Global Retail Commission. I could then choose to group this commission rule, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And then I can choose my qualifications. And because this is a global retail commission rule, I'm just going to select everyone. The only thing that I might not want to select in here is probably my inactive status. I only want my active users to be able to benefit from this retail commission. You can then choose whether or not this is in the leadership pool. I'm going to leave it as yes, and then you can choose your settings. So you can choose whether this applies to a flat amount, a breakaway level, a differential level, a leg, a level, if you're limiting total payouts, if you're paying out the maximum or you're paying out the minimum. I'm going to go ahead and choose my levels. I want to specify this by level. So I'm going to say start level to end level, and I'll say this is a 0 to 1 level. So your immediate sales and your level 1 sales. And then going to choose my target volume, and this is going to be set to commission value. I would then choose my volume type. I'm going to go ahead and select all of those, and then I can choose my percentage. So this is the percentage of this retail commission. So I'm going to say that for this global retail commission, it's nothing special. Everyone can get 20%, and then I'm going to hit save. So that is how you can create a basic commission rule.